My name is Lenny Raghuvanshi. I am the founder and the CEO of the People's Vigilance Committee on Human Rights, a membership-based organization, and the member of International Rehabilitation Council on Torture Victims. We supported 90 organizations in the 17 states. In India, I've worked since 1993 and I received a lot of data, and I found that more than 90% torture survivors and the survivor of organized violence belongs to Dalit community, tribal community, other backward community, Muslim minorities and the women. So poverty, caste system, patriarchy are the main reasons behind to create the torture and organized violence in this country. And in this context, PVCHR always provide a platform and the system and the therapies to support those survivors and convert to them in human rights defenders. PVCHR as a member of International Rehabilitation Council of Torture Victims provided psychosocial supports to 3,500 survivors of the torture through testimonial therapy, a brief narrative therapy. Psychosocial supports to more than 100 survivors are very, very important. Also, we provided the supports, legal supports, meta-legal supports who face the detentions, who face the judicial custody. Also, we organize folk schools and the honor ceremony where we create a platform and the dynamics for the community healings, converting the private pain and agonies into the political campaigns against torture and the organized violence. Also, we rescued 40,000 bonded laborers from the contemporary form of slavery. We intervened and supported the cases of 300,000 of the torture, organized violence, illegal detention, injustice, caste discrimination, violence against women, violation of the child rights, attacks on the minorities. We also initiated Kitchen Garden, which is a very fantastic idea. What is our learnings here? If you provide humanitarian support with the participation of the survivor, you break the low-cost effect of the organized violence and the torture, you eliminate the fear and phobia, then you are going to create very different resilience. In our work, there is a direct link of the poverty and torture. If you want to eliminate torture, you are going to eliminate poverty. If you are going to eliminate poverty, you need to eliminate torture. So this is the whole initiative of IRCT PVCHR, create the hope, honor and human dignity. This is 3H for the survivors.